Hello children, let us start 8th class topic rational numbers. So before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about our proverb. What does the proverb says? Try and try till you win. It's a common habit of many of us children. We wanted to do something, either you wanted to learn something or do a particular artwork or something. When you start it with a great enthusiasm, with a great zeal, you will start. But in between, either people may come and discourage you, or you may not be finding time to continue it, or you may be getting so many hurdles, difficulties to do it. So ultimately what you do, it's not my job, I cannot do it, let me stop. That is wrong, children. If you have any problem, try to overcome it by thinking about it. Train your mind again and again to think about in which way I can do this work. Definitely the mind will give you answer, children, and one day or the other definitely will be successful in it. So you have to keep on trying. Don't stop any work in between. Try and try till what time? Till you win. That means what? Definitely success will come. Only the thing is, trial is required. Our efforts are required. God will definitely help those who help themselves. This proverb you might have heard. If you are trying to help yourself in solving it, God definitely helps you, children. So, definitely you will get success. Let us come back to the topic. Rational numbers we are doing. In this representation of rational numbers on a number line. Now children, it is your common habit when you talk about a normal number line. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on this side. So when you talk about 1 onwards, these are natural numbers which you can represent on the number line. From 0 onwards, I am not ending it because there is no end for it. These are whole numbers. And negative side 0 and positive side without ending, these are integers actually. In a number line you can represent them. You have already learnt in your lower classes, but now we are going to learn about how to represent rational numbers. You know what are rational numbers, children? The P by Q forms. How you should represent them. Now, let me talk about it. In your 7th class we have done, children, the fractions are of two types. The first one is proper fraction and the second one is improper fraction. This basic you should need, children. Without this basic you cannot understand this representation. Proper fractions all are, they lie between 0 and 1. Because what are proper fractions, children? The fractions in which numerator is lesser than denominator. That is, you can take some proper fractions as 2 by 3, 5 by 7, so on. When numerator is lesser than denominator. What are improper fractions? Where do they lie? They lie after 1. After 1 depends upon the value of improper fraction. What you have to do, children, for improper fraction? First you have to convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction then you have to represent it on the number line. So mixed improper fractions are those which are having numerator more than denominator, like 10 by 3, 13 by 4. These all are improper fractions. So whenever they ask you to represent anything on the number line, first and foremost thing is you see what type of value, what type of fraction it is. Is it a proper fraction or improper fraction? If it is a proper fraction, yeah, I should do it between 0 and 1. If it is an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Then you will understand what should be the integral part, what should be the rational part. Accordingly you can do. Already this was done in 7th class, children. So once again we are going to do it here. So just to copy this. Now let us see the next part. What is the next part, children? Suppose we will take some example, children. You need to find out, represent 1 by 2 on number line. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. What do you understand, children? Therefore, it lies between 0 and 1. First you should have this knowledge. Now, you draw a number line. This is 0 and 1. Before writing 1, let me see the rational number 2. Denominator of the rational number, given rational number. Denominator is 2. That means this 0 to 1 should be divided into 2 equal halves. This is 1 half, this is 1 half. So you call this as 1 by 2. This is actually 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. So this is 1, you have it. This is representation of half. Suppose you are having a number 3 by 5. You have to represent on number line. Now 3 by 5 is also, it is a proper fraction. Since it is a proper fraction, it lies between 0 and 1. So you draw a number line, you take 0 here, and before keeping 1, see what is the denominator. The denominator is 5. That means what? 0 to 1 should be divided into 5 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one. So you consider this as 1. This is called as 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. 5 by 5 means 1. So these two are. Now the question is 3 by 5. So this is the representation of 3 by 5 on the number line, children. This is the basic which you should have in mind. If it is a proper fraction, definitely the proper fraction lies between 0 and 1 only. Be careful about it. Afterwards, see the fraction, see the denominator. What is the denominator given to you? What is the value of the denominator? So many parts you have to divide between 0 and 1. Whichever part they have asked, you can circle it very easily. This is the easiest way of representing rational numbers on the number line, children. This is about proper fractions I have told. So copy it. Let us see the improper fraction. Now, how to represent an improper fraction. Improper fraction. So children, suppose you have got 10 by 3. First what I said, you need to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. How will you convert it? You will take 10 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 1 you have got 3, 1 by 3. You have converted the improper fraction to mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction, this is called integral part. The integral part of the fraction is 3. That means what? The value lies between 3 and 4. Are you understand, children? Whatever is the integral part you have, that and the next number you have to take. So, you take the number line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now, before writing 4, see the denominator. Here, in this fractional part, denominator is 3. That means, between 3 and 4, you have to divide it into 3 parts, equal parts. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, children. So, 1, 2, 3 parts you have done. So, what is this part? 3, 1 by 3 part. And this is 3, 2 by 3 part. And this is 3, 3 by 3 part. That means 1, children, that is 3 plus 1 is 4. This is actually 3, 3 by 3 means 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, children. So, what is the value you need to sign? This one, 3, 3 by 3, that is 10 by 3. This you have represented. This is your solution, children. So, improper fractions, first you convert it into mixed fraction. See the integral part. Integral part, whatever you have got, this and the next number. Between them, the asked question lies on the number line. So, you take that. Afterwards, what you have to do? You see the denominator of this fractional part. So many parts between these two numbers you have to make. So, after making that, very easily you can find out which is the part. Okay, children? Write on this. No. Now the next one, example 5. You have got example 5 in page 24. You have got example 5. What is this example 5, children? They have given a number line and 0 to 1, 7 equal parts they have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 1, 7 by 7. This is what they have given. Now, after 2 parts they have given A, leaving 1 they have given B. Now the question is, identify the rational number. See, children, here we have understood that it is divided 7 equal parts, so definitely it is 7. Now you count 1, 2, 3. So A is equal to 3 by 7. Now B also is 7. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B is equal to 5 by 7. These two are the answers for this problem. So I hope you have followed this. Write down. Next. The next one is in page 25. You have got example 6. They are asking to represent 5 by 8 on the number line. So, what is 5 by 8, children? 5 by 8, it is a proper fraction. Since 5 by 8 is a proper fraction, what you will say? It lies between 0 and 1. Now, you take the number line, take 0, and before going to 1, see what is the denominator. Denominator is 8. So that means you have to make 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 1. This is 1. This is 8 by 8. Okay, children. This is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. 8 by 8 is 1. Again, these two are equal. Now, what you need to represent? 5 by 8. So, this is how you are representing 5 by 8 on the number. So, I hope it is clear, children. Write down. Now, in the same page, you have got example 7. What is this example 7? Represent 29 by 6. 29 by 6 on the number line. So, what is 29 by 6, children? It is improper fraction. 29 by 6 is improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. 29 by 6. Improper fraction means it lies between what numbers, children? This you will understand only when you take improper fraction and convert it into mixed fraction. This is 6. 6 table 6 4s are 24. 5. So, what is this, children? 4, 5 by 6 is mixed fraction. So, it lies between 4 and 5. So, when you take a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Before 5 you see the denominator 6. So, between 4 and 5 I should make 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th part. So, this is, see children, 4, 1 by 6, 4, 2 by 6, 4, 3 by 6, 4, 4 by 6, 4, 5 by 6, 4, 6 by 6. 4, 6 by 6, this is what you are getting, children, between 4 and 5. 4, 6 by 6 means how much, children? 4 plus 1, that is 5. So, this value is 5. So, 4 is here and 5 is here, and in between them you are locating 4, 5 by 6. This is 4, 5 by 6. What is 4 by 5? 4, 5 by 6 is 29 by 6. You have represented 29 by 6 on the number line in this way. So, if you have a thorough knowledge of whether the given one is a proper fraction or improper fraction, then definitely very easily you can make it as a means you can identify between which numbers the given value lies. Similarly, you can do it. I hope you have understood. This is example 7. Now, do this, you have children. Now, what is this? Do this sum. Represent minus 13 by 5 on the number line. So, as it is given the negative value. So, negative value means you have to go on the other side of the 0, and 13 by 5 means take 13 by 5 means 5 with 13, 5 2s are 10, 3. So, it can be written as 2, 3 by 5. So, when you have minus here, you will be having this minus 13 by 5 can be written as minus 2, 3 by 5. So, that means the value lies between minus 2 and minus 3. So, take a number line 0 here, minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 2. And minus 3, how many parts? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth part. So, this is minus 2 and this become minus 2, 1 by 5, minus 2, 2 by 5, minus 2, 3 by 5, minus 2, 4 by 5, minus 2, 5 by 5. That means minus 2 plus 1 here. It is minus totally. So, when you are adding, you will have to take minus 2, minus 1. So, you will be getting it as minus 3. So, this is minus 3. Minus 2, 3 by 5 is this. This is nothing but minus 13 by 5. So, this is what you are representing on the number line. So, I hope you have followed this, children. So, the basic property is nothing but you need to identify whether it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. Copy it, children. So, with this, I am going to stop today's lesson.